Step number 9, the closed impetus with feather finish. Let us show it to you. We have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. From a different angle, we have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now I'd like to go over the man's foot position. Left foot back, right foot back, dancing a heel turn. Left foot to the side and slightly back. Right foot back. Left foot to the side and slightly forward. Right foot forward, outside partner in CBMP. We have left foot back, right foot back, dancing a heel turn. Left foot to the side and slightly back. Right foot back, left foot to the side and slightly forward. Right foot forward, outside partner in CBMP. And now the footwork. Toe heel, heel toe, toe heel, toe heel toe of right foot, toe, toe heel. And again, toe heel, heel toe, toe heel, toe heel of right foot, toe, and then toe heel. And now the timing. We have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And one more time. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now Heather will show us the ladies' parts.
So now the ladies' foot positions. We have right foot forward, left foot to the side, right foot brushes to left foot and then moves diagonally forward. Left foot forward, right foot to the side, left foot back, CBMP. One more time. We have right foot forward, left foot to the side, right foot brushes to left foot and then moves diagonally forward. Left foot forward, right foot to the side, left foot moves back in CBMP. And now the footwork. We have heel toe, toe brush, toe heel, heel toe, toe heel, toe heel. And again, heel toe, toe brush, toe heel, heel toe, toe heel, toe heel. The timing for this figure will be slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And again, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now Victor will join me and we'll try this one more time together.
And we have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And again, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now, in this figure, again, gentlemen, through your right leg, you're going to lower and rotate yourself into the inside of turn. Now, at this point, you're going to dance a heel turn, so as you draw the right heel in, the feet will come together, pivoting. Now, if you'll notice, I'm trying to stay slightly flexed in the knee, so that as the lady rotates around me, I rise up, which gives her the hovering action to brush her feet. And as I'm doing this, I need my head and body weight to balance slightly leftward. So if you just watch that. So as I lower, I'm rotating through my lowering action, taking myself to the inside of turn. I draw my right heel in. My feet are flexed. Through my knees, I rise up, balancing it, and stop. From here, we're going to lower and rotate into our feather finish, slow and quick, quick. So we'll try that again from a different angle. So again, as I lower, I rotate to inside of turn. I bring my feet together. I rise up, hover, back, curve out of the way, outside partner, and feather finish.
And now for the ladies here, we must make sure that we get a good counterbalance with our head weight. The man is on a very, very tight turn. This is a very steep turn that you make in ballroom dance when your feet come immediately together. So when the gentleman takes his heel turn, I do not want to allow my head to come into the man's face. Otherwise he will automatically, when my head does that will automatically open his foot position. So we want to keep a good balance on our own side so the man can take the inside of turn. Then as I get to my left foot and I brush my feet, I don't want to take too big a step, otherwise I'll pull Victor forward. So from this position, small step, brushing the feet, and then we come out. Into the feather finish, I'm going to take my head strongly to my left side, allowing me to swing my right side diagonally through Victor. So we'll just try that one more time. Slow, quick head to the left, swing the side.
Let's give you a simple exercise to allow you to feel where your head and body are through this turn. And that is simply to have the lady place her arm across the top of the man's right shoulder. So as we lower, it gives you the spacing necessary to feel a strong counterbalance of weight through the head position. And then we move through for our feather finish. So we'll try that at a different angle. So we recommend this as a method to feel where the man's body position will be through the turn, and also for the lady, we balance and come out with our feather finish, quick. And that is the closed limp with feather finish.